Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. If any of you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. I got this laptop as a trade deal and it came just like this, in pieces. When I got it, most of the parts are there, but the battery, keyboard, the memory door cover I bought from eBay. So without further ado, let's fix it. Most of the screws were missing, so I replaced missing screws with Dell laptop screws. So finally, I cleaned the laptop with some Windex and alcohol. Then I installed Windows 10 behind the camera. Just like that, we're done. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check my main channel for more videos. All the links in the description. Like always, please don't forget to share, subscribe. I will see you next time.